Hello there, this is FSP Academy and I am David. Today I want to show you how you can use your liquidity sweep to spot the reversal before it will even happen. Sometimes you may not be lucky enough to see your refined order block, refined supply zone or demand zone. In that scenario, liquidity sweep will help you to find your direction of the market before it will happen. You understand? So stay around, let me show you how this thing works. Let's go to my chart now. Demonstrate how this thing works for maybe a bullish scenario changing to a bearish momentum. So this is how it works. You see a higher highs, higher low, higher low, higher highs. You understand? Higher highs like this. You understand? To the upside. Before the market could change direction to the downside, start trading downward, there's what we call a liquidity sweep. And this liquidity sweep happen around this place. So this is where the liquidity sweep happens, right? You understand? You understand? So this is the liquidity sweep right here. Let me mark it so that, let me use red to denote it so that it will be very big for you guys to grab. So before the price start changing direction to the downside, you will see this thing having a liquidity sweep. You will see this liquidity sweep right here. Sorry, let me change the color, right, to red. So before the market starts trending to the downside, you will see a liquidity sweep. The liquidity sweep means that, this particular place, they are pending under here. These are pending order, and price would like to take this pending order before it will start trending to the downside. Before it will start coming down, it will take, first of all, take out this pending order. People believe that, okay, since the price reverse from this zone, they will put their stop loss here, pending when the price will return. You understand? They will put their pending order or stop loss a little bit above. But market will not just come here and start going down immediately. It will first of all take out this liquidity here. Take out this liquidity by going up a little bit, then boom. So once this thing forms and there's no any, so if there is supply zone, you understand, it is another confluence. If there's supply zone before, let's say there's a supply zone around this area before the price start returning from this level, it's another confluence. But then in a situation where there is no supply zone, you can still use this liquidity sweep to know when the price will change. You understand? First of all, there's a liquidity sweep. You understand? These are the two confluences that you must use to have a good result. You understand? First of all, sorry, let me clean all this. Let me clean all these guys, right? Let me clean all of them. So these are the confluences that you must put together. Number one, a liquidity sweep. Number two, a change of character. Where is our change of character in this scenario? This is the change of character that makes this place a well-defined. Sorry, this is our change of character here. After the liquidity sweep above, we have a change of character here. So first of all, liquidity sweep coupled with change of character, it gives you a refined change of direction, a refined reverse. You understand? So once you have this thing put together, first of all, your liquidity sweep, then change of character, you can now trade the market with full confidence that once it comes to this place, once price return to this place, it will start selling, and you can put your stop loss and ride it. You understand? Put your stop loss and ride it to the downside. So the whole this thing is still the same for the bearish moment, for the bearish scenario. If the market has been trending downward, before it will change, you will see a liquidity sweep. You understand? So for the sake of tutorial, let me demonstrate it for you guys so that you know, you have a perfect understanding of what I'm trying to paint out for you guys. You understand? So let me put it here. So So let's say the market has been trending downward, forming lower low, lower highs, series of lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. You understand? So before the market will change to the upside, you will see what we call, sorry. So this is it. This is it, right? Before the market could change to the upside, you will see what we call a liquidity sweep. You understand? So these are pending order. They are pending order sitting in this zone. So trader will believe that, okay, since there is a pending order here, some retail trader will put their stop loss here, waiting for price to come to this place and start going up. But no, price will not just come to this place and start going up. It will first of all take out all these stop losses, all these stop loss, limit order, and all of them. It will take them out before it will start going up. So once you have a liquidity sweep coupled with a change of character at the top here, that is a good sign for you that, oh, we are having a reversed price action happening right in front of you. So let me pull up the chart and show you where this thing is happening live so that we can see, so it will not be theory. You understand? Let me go to maybe let me go to Euro USD, right? So this is Euro USD chart. So this Euro USD chart, let me give you a perfect example here. This is a perfect example. You know, before now, the price has been coming down. You understand? Price has been moving aggressively towards the downside. The whole order flow have been towards the downside. You understand? I share this thing to my community. So once we have the liquidity sweep here, this is the liquidity sweep. So once we have the liquidity sweep here, coupled with the fact that a change of character happened, because this is our previous lower highs, and price has now violated the lower highs to the upside. You understand? Feeling this imbalance, among this imbalance, the gap between this first week of candle to the third week. You understand? That is the imbalance. Price breaks the structure, that is forming change of character to the upside. Let me even mark this thing very well so that you understand what I'm talking. So this is the change of character right here. So this is the change of character right here. So price breaks the previous higher, a lower highs. Then boom, it starts going to the upside. So the moment you see a liquidity sweep, some people that are very aggressive, once they spot this liquidity sweep and it is sitting maybe in a fair value gap, just like a mark, this fair value gap, right? So this is a fair value gap. Price is expected to feed a fair value gap and start bouncing from it. So the moment they saw this liquidity sweep and price starts moving to the outside, they will enter the trade with any of their candlestick they use for the confirmation. With any type of candlestick they use for the confirmation, they will just jump into the trade and they will catch a nice sweep. Whereas other people would like for a little retracement, you understand? However you want to trade it, it is fine. It is fine. You just have to put this thing at the back of your mind that liquidity sweep sometimes could give you a nice reversal signals. So guys, this is what I have for you. If you want to join my community, you can kindly use the link in the description box and join us. Thank you.